Hello everyone, Bobby Benish, and welcome to our See It Now property tour of 819 18th Street, a property that has been totally renovated from top to bottom. Let's go take a look. Notice the limestone on the front entry, framing this beautiful brand new front door. So come on in. This home has been an absolute labor of love for this seller. They have taken this space and turned it into something just absolutely beautiful. We have this main living space with a gorgeous kitchen, big beautiful windows. All of the windows have been redone, brand new roof, new flooring, new kitchen, high-end cabinetry in the kitchen, nice dining space, and big bright windows with a giant windowsill. Amazing, amazing gas stove for those of you who like to have a home chef space. You have lots of countertop space and gorgeous white cabinetry, and the drawers and doors are all soft close, so there's no slamming around here. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. It's pretty spectacular. Gorgeous flooring, really nice color palettes, calming and soothing. Extra wide hallway. They really designed and configured this home for living, so you could maybe put a couple little desk spaces here or a little reading nook. Utilize this hallway for living space. So go on into the first bedroom we come to here. Again, really nice high ceilings. The lighting has multiple options, so you could have just the four or the single light in the middle, which is fabulous. Nice big closet, which we have some paint cans in there, so we'll leave that door shut for now. And then back down this hallway, again, you really could make this like a super cool art wall, which I have in my own home with all my kids' little artwork from when they were like 2 and 3 and 5. And then we come to another bedroom, gorgeous layout, spacious closets, and I just love those extra wide window sills, so you could put some decorative photos or a little, you know, like a little candle or some hobby thing. So you'll see the closets are all very nice and spacious, and they are a completely open canvas for you to come in and organize them just the way you want them. So we'll go through here. And let's stop for a moment and look at this feature. The seller has built this around the basement stairs, which this home for an 1919 home, it actually has amazing basement space, which we are going to take a look, but I love, love, love this element here. It really kind of gives you that high-end special feature. So on into this first bathroom. This is our main hall bathroom. It also doubles as a utility room. So you can see one of the nice features are these fabulous, fabulous glass doors that have like this high-end close like you're in a spa. So laundry's in here. I'm just going to sneak by you and show you our laundry space. So it's right in this bathroom, which is kind of handy. You come in, you need to jump in the shower, and you can drop all your things in the laundry. And there's plenty of space if you wanted to have like lots of cabinetry here. A nice open linen shelves would be really pretty in this home. So back to the primary bedroom. High ceilings everywhere. I mean, I just love, love, love this space. I mean, just come on in and take a look. Vaulted ceilings, super, super pretty light fixture. Just gives you that nice, easy living kind of feel that you get here. And then on over here, you have this bifold door, which has kind of an element of modern but yet also super high-end spa. So I love that feature, this gorgeous glass door, and then step on in and take a look at the beautiful fixtures and custom tile on the shower that goes all the way to this ceiling, which is super fabulous. Yes, love, love, love this space. Now this is a king size bed with 2 side tables. You really could make a separate little seating area. You could reconfigure the room and have a big, big space here if you needed a separate home office, or just wanted to have, you know, if you need an extra bed in the room, if you have littles and they want to stay in the same space for a while, that's always an option too. So let's go out back and take a look at this super fabulous sitting space that's in the back. It's very private and has just a nice little element of surprise when you get back here. You will be pleasantly pleased with how pretty this space is. If you do not want a lawn to mow and you want a gorgeous place to relax, I just need my tea and my sandwich. Great place to read a book or just get away. Again, no yard space to mow. That's super, because right now we are wanting to get out and about in this beautiful weather and go for walks, and things are starting to open up. We can go eat at restaurants and kids' ball games. So who has time to cut the grass anyway? Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful feature. So over here we have the closet that again is completely free of organizers. So as the new owner, you get to organize it exactly the way you want, all the way to the ceiling. I mean, goodness gracious. Yeah. For someone, you know, vertically challenged, that's a challenge, but we can make it happen. Let's go take a look at the basement. Again, this home was built in 1919, and this seller has totally renovated from top to bottom. And when you get down here, you'll see that this, although it's an older home, has a lot of usable space. I could see a hobby room down here, craft room, definitely lots of storage. I think if you had, you know, some hobbies, or you could probably, not that I want a reading nook down here because who wouldn't want to sit upstairs, but if you needed a private place that was quiet to do some of your studies or work, this wouldn't be bad. I love the old wood and the age that it has, but it's very bright, nice and cheery. And obviously, if we had a little bit of bad weather coming, you'd be sure happy to sit down here, that's for sure. Brand new HVAC system, brand new hot water heater, fixtures, obviously new kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, drywall, electrical, plumbing, and a beautiful metal roof. So if you are looking for a home that you do not have to do a lot of outdoor maintenance or yard work, and you want to just enjoy this space, then give us a call for an in-person tour of 819 18th Street. Give us a call at 812-675-6967. Bye.